Chapter 20. Teleportation Light and the Unknown Journey. Mu and Lin Feng explored deeper into the flower sea along the spiritual power brook. Surrounded by the nourishment of the brook's spiritual power, the flowers around them became even more delicate and charming, exuding a soft and rich glow. The sound of the brook flowing was particularly clear in the quiet flower sea, as if telling ancient secrets. As they went deeper, they noticed that the light at the source of the brook became stronger. Under the shroud of the light, an ancient stone platform was faintly visible. A circle of mysterious runes surrounded the stone platform. These runes glimmered with a faint light, echoing the spiritual power of the brook. When they approached the stone platform, the spiritual power fluctuations of the brook became more intense, and Mu and Lin Feng had to circulate their spiritual power to resist. Suddenly, a dazzling teleportation light appeared above the stone platform. This light seemed to contain a certain summoning power, attracting them to approach. What's going on with this teleportation light? Could it be a passage to leave here? Lin Feng looked at the light, his eyes full of doubts and anticipation. Mu furrowed his brows. After thinking for a while, he said, "Maybe this is a reward for us passing through numerous trials, or it's a way to guide us to the next crucial place. Anyway, we've come this far. We might as well give it a try." The two exchanged a glance and saw determination in each other's eyes. They took a deep breath and slowly stepped into the teleportation light. In an instant, the light completely enveloped them. A powerful force wrapped around their bodies, and the surrounding scenery changed rapidly, making them dizzy. After an unknown amount of time, the light gradually dissipated, and Mu and Lin Feng found themselves in a strange space. This space was circular, and the walls were engraved with exquisite murals depicting the origin and development of the spirit fantasy realm, as well as various mysterious spiritual power rituals. In the center of the space, there was a huge spiritual power crystal ball. Lights flowed inside the crystal ball, as if hiding countless secrets. Mu and Lin Feng approached the crystal ball, trying to explore its mysteries. The moment Mu's hand touched the crystal ball emitted a strong light, and a series of images emerged before their eyes. The images showed the close connection between the back mountain of Lingxi Town and other places in the spirit fantasy realm, as well as a conspiracy by a dark force to disrupt the spiritual power balance of the spirit fantasy realm. "So, there is such a huge crisis hidden behind the secrets of the back mountain," Mu said in shock. Lin Feng also had a solemn expression. "It seems that our previous exploration was just the tip of the iceberg. We must find a way to stop this dark force." The images continued to change, and they saw some clues about how to enhance their own strength and unite various forces to confront the dark force. These clues gradually pieced together a plan to deal with the crisis, like a jigsaw puzzle. After the images disappeared, the light of the crystal ball gradually dimmed. Mu and Lin Feng knew that they had taken on a significant mission. "Lin Feng, let's go back to Lingxi Town and tell Grandpa and the townspeople what we've discovered here. We need their help," Mu said. Lin Feng nodded. "Okay, let's go back right away." Just as they were about to find a way to leave this space, a door appeared in a corner of the space. The door slowly opened, and outside was a bright passage. Mu and Lin Feng walked along the passage, and at the end of the passage was the entrance to the back mountain of Lingxi Town. When they stepped out of the back mountain, the familiar fresh air blew towards them. Looking at the peaceful and serene scene of Lingxi Town, Mu and Lin Feng were well aware that a huge storm was about to come, but they were ready. For the sake of protecting Lingxi Town and the peace of the spirit fantasy realm, they would bravely face the challenges and embark on an unknown and arduous journey.